We are chilling with this guy. I don't even know who he is. And the thermo's about to change. So currently we are on a moderate risk. That is horrible. Horrible moderate risk. What are the new thermos? Should we? Ooh, that's pretty good. Really good thermos for today. Quick updates. The thermos, same day, same everything. There's not one. My friend left me. I don't know where. He just up and left me. So sad about that. New clip, but we are deploying. It got way smaller. Oh, that thing is strong. No, we're gonna miss it because it turned more north. Come on. Oh, that sucks. That's really gonna be annoying. Oh, it's about to hop out. Oh, we're still gonna get in it. Okay, nice. I didn't think we were. Dude, can this tornado move, please? Like, just slide a little. Slide a little. Yeah, it's hitting 140. What's that? Was that just a breeze? What was that? I don't know if it's strong if that Dom 3 dies. Oh my god. So, we're near the new tornado. It's so skinny. My goodness, you can barely see it. I'm gonna screenshot that. Tornado lifted, so... By the way, I switched over to the Dodge so I could get there faster. I mean, not no more. Oh my god, look at the tornado. It's 100 from here. No siree. The tornado needs to chill. Nah, really? So it's not going to be bright. No way. Actually. It's going northeast. Here we go. 142. 142. Almost forgot to tell ya. Happy New Year's. It's dying.